So I wanted to show you how rock solid this thing is. So, I mean, if I move this, it's not the grill guard that's moving, it's the whole truck. That ain't going nowhere. Alright, here's the Westin grill guard. A couple months after installing it. You see that there's some, of course, room over here, so it's not hitting the side of the truck all the time. Actually, the way I installed it, I think I may not have had it perfectly centered because there's a little bit more space on this side, just a little bit more space on that side. It does extend out from the bumper. You can see maybe a foot. I'll get a tape measure on that. I added these tow hooks later on. Got these from an army surplus locally. If we look inside here, there is the bumper, the factory bumper. Even where I placed the license plate holder. So about 9 inches out, but the frame itself on just the grill guard is at 7.5 inches from the factory bumper. There's a view from the top. See the clearance here. Plenty of room. Certainly not going to hit the front of the truck.